Okay, we've got the jumper here plugged in to check the CEL codes, I believe that is. Done that, and we've got this fucking noise here, coming from this fucking thing right here, and I don't know what the fuck it's making all this goddamn noise. This thing, what the fuck this is. I would like it to stop. Well, that would be wonderful. Now, if I pull this thing out, it stops. So, but I was doing that before when I was trying to crank it through the day, and I don't know what these things do, other than piss me off. Also, if I plug this thing in, let's see, if I plug it in now, if I pull it out, it doesn't do anything. And it doesn't show me any codes on the little thing in there. It doesn't say anything about check engine or blink or nothing. So, and if I pull the EGI fuse out, these things also stop making noise. So, if you guys can help me, that'd be appreciated.